Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for Shopify. Figma is a powerful design tool that helps you create stunning and functional online stores. We'll cover everything from initial layout design to prototyping user experiences and preparing your files for development. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to leverage Figma to build a seamless and engaging shopping experience for your customers, ensuring a professional online presence. To start, set up your artboards to reflect common screen dimensions, like 1920 pixels for desktop or 375 pixels for mobile. Leverage Figma's auto layout to ensure your designs adapt seamlessly to various screen sizes. Build a robust component library for elements such as navigation bars, product listings, and call-to-action buttons. This approach saves significant time and maintains design consistency throughout your entire Shopify store project. Once your layouts are designed, it's time to bring them to life with prototyping. Connect your frames to simulate real user flows, from browsing products to completing a purchase. Add interactive elements like hover states, click actions, and scrolling effects to create a realistic experience. Test various checkout paths and product page interactions to identify any friction points. Sharing these interactive prototypes with others allows for valuable feedback before development begins. The final stage involves preparing your designs for development and ensuring a smooth handoff. Export all necessary assets, such as high-resolution images and scalable vector icons, in appropriate formats. Provide comprehensive design specifications, including spacing, typography, and color codes, to your development team. Consider using Figma plugins that can generate CSS snippets, streamlining the coding process. Close collaboration with developers is key to translating your Figma designs into a pixel-perfect Shopify store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.